Good morning. In this video, we shall discuss the problems asked on Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation asked by RCUB in 2017, 2018 and 2019. Coming to the first one, this question was asked in May 2017 for 15 marks. So here the question has been divided into two, A and B. So RCUB ಅವರು May 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ properties of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation and regression lines. So this will be a theoretical one. Coming to the calculation part, from the following data, calculate the coefficient of Karl Pearson's method of correlation and comment on the result. Price ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. ಹಾಗೆ supply 30, 29, 28, 25, 15. So there is one missing data, then 22, 21, 18. Arithmetic mean of price and supply are 15 and 24. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅನ್ನ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So x values we will write from 11 to 19 and take the total as 135. ಹಾಗೆ y, so one missing frequency ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗ್ ಬರೋದು 188 plus y. Now let us take the help of arithmetic mean. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ as well as y. ಸೊ x ಮೀನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ y ದ ಮೀನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to 188 plus y divided by n. ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 188 ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ n ಅಂದಾಗ n will be the number of frequency, that will be 9. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇಸ್ 24 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 24 is equal to 188 plus y divided by 9. So when we solve this, we get 24 into 9 is equal to 188 plus y. So 216 is equal to 188 plus y. 216 minus 188 is equal to y, and hence 20 y is equal to 28. So our missing frequency illenide, that is 28. Now we got all the frequencies. Now we can calculate the coefficient of correlation. So the next step which we will be doing here is the calculation of coefficient of correlation, that is Karl Pearson's method. So we have to take price as x, supply as y. We know the total of this. Now we will take x square, that is 11 into 11, 121, 12 into 12, 144, 13 into 13, 169, 14 into 14, 196, 15 into 15, 225, 16 into 16, 256, 17 into 17, 289, 18 into 18, 324, and 19 into 19, 361. Take the total of x square column, we get 2085. Same way, we have to do it for y. So let us take y square. 30 into 30, 900, 29 into 29, 841, 28 into 28, 784, 25 into 25, 625, 15 into 15, 225, 28 into 28, 784, 22 into 22, 484, 21 into 21, 441, and 18 into 18, 324. Take the total of y square column, we get 5408. Now, the last thing which we require is xy. That is 11 into 30, 330, 12 into 29, 348, 13 into 28, 364, 14 into 25, 350, 15 into 15, 225, 16 into 28, 448, 17 into 22, 374, 18 into 21, 378, and 19 into 18, 334. Take the total of xy column, we get 3159. Now, if you feel the calculations are heavy, you can also use the shortcut method which we had discussed in the previous session. Okay, so this is the direct method. If the calculations, if the numbers are heavy, we can take the shortcut method also, where we will be finding out the mid value for each, that is x, we will take it as u, for y we take it as v. Okay, then we take u square, v square, then u into v. Here I have followed direct method. Now we have got all the values, we can proceed with the calculation of coefficient of correlation. The coefficient of correlation between x and y is given with the formula r is equal to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x raised to 2 into n into summation y square minus summation y raised to 2. Now substitute the values. N is 9, summation xy is 3159 minus summation x is 135 into summation y is 216. Now square root of n is 9 into summation x square total is 2085 minus summation x, that is 135 raised to 2. Now for the y series, it is 9 into summation y square, that is 5408 minus summation y, that is 216 raised to 2. Simplify this, we get 28,431 minus 29,160 divided by square root of 18,765 minus 18,225 into 48,672 minus 46,656. On further simplification, we get minus 729 divided by square root of 550 into 216, which will be equal to minus 729 divided by 1043.38. So R is equal to minus 0.6987. When the answer is negative, it means that there is negative correlation between the variables. There is negative correlation between x and y. So when we say negative correlation, it means that when one variable increases, the another variable decreases. So this is how we are going to calculate Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation when the frequency is missing. So first we will find out the missing frequency, and then we will be proceeding with the calculation of coefficient of correlation. Moving forward, let us take up another problem asked by Rcub in May 2018 for 15 marks. Even here, the question has been divided into two parts, A and B, where A is the theory part, which again includes two questions: name the types of correlation, then mention the properties of correlation coefficient. So these things we have already discussed in our theory classes. Now let us take up the B part, where we need to find out the correlation between sales and advertising expenditure. So the sales information will be considered as X, the advertisement expenditure will be considered as Y. So let us proceed with the calculation part. So sales will be considered as X and advertisement expenditure will be considered as Y. So let us write down the values of X. So 65, 66, 67, 67, 65, 69, 70, 72, which gives the total of 544. Same way, write down the values of Y, 67, 68, 65, 68, 72, 72, 69, 71, which gives the total of 552. Now, we require x square, y square and xy. So let us first calculate x square where we will be taking the square of x value. So 65 into 65, 4225. 66 square will be 4356. 67 square will be 4489. So the same value is repeated. Next again 4489. 65 square will be 4624. 69 square will be 4761. 70 square will be 4900 and 72 square will be 5184. Upon taking the total, we get 37,028. Now let us calculate y square. 67 square is 4489. 68 square will be 4624. 69 square will be 4225. 68 square will be 4624. 72 square will be 5184. Again 72 square will be 5184. 69 square will be 4761 and 71 square will be 5041. On taking the total, we get 38,132. Now we need the last information, that is x into y. So let us multiply sales into advertisement expenditure, that is 65 into 67, 4,355. 66 into 68, 4,488. 67 into 65, 4,355. 67 into 68 will give us 4,556. 65 into 72, 4,896. 69 into 72, 4,968. 70 into 69 will be 4,830. 72 into 71 will be 5,112. Take the total of XY column, we get 37,560. Now, we know summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. We can calculate Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation. So that is between x and y is given with this formula. Now substitute the values in this formula. So 8 into 8, that is n, that is number of values given for each of the variable, that is 8. 8 into 37,560 minus 544 into 552 divided by square root of 8 into 37,028 minus 544 raised to 2 into 8 into 38,132 minus 552 square. On simplification, we get 3,480 minus 3,288 divided by square root of 2,96,224 minus 2,95,936 into 3,05,056 minus 3,04,704. Hence, 192 divided by square root of 288 into 352, which gives us 192 divided by 318.4. Hence, R is equal to 0.6030. So, as it is positive, we can say that there is positive correlation between X and Y. That is, when one variable increases, the another variable will also increase. And when one variable decreases, the another variable also decreases. Now, let us take up another problem which was asked in May 2019 by Rcub for 15 marks. Even here, the question was divided into two parts, A and B. Now let us take the B part as it relates to Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Calculate Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation from the following data, x and y. So there are values given for each of the variable x and y. We need to calculate again Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation. So let us proceed and calculate the Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation. Let us first take the values of x and values of y, from which we will be calculating x square, y square and x into y. So here we have prepared the table where we have taken first the x values 100, 101, 102, 102, 100, 99, 97, 98, 96, 95, which gives the total of 990. Now write down the values of y, that is 98, 99, 99, 97, 95, 92, 95, 94, 90 and 91, which gives the total of 950. Here the numbers are big. We can also solve this in the shortcut method. So again, I would like to repeat, if we follow the shortcut method, we need to find out the mid value for x, which will be u, and mid value for y, which will be represented by v. So instead of x, y, we will be having u, v. From that, we will be calculating u square, v square and u into v. Here I have followed the direct method. So let us calculate x square. So 100 into 100, 10,000. 101 into 101 will give us 10,201. 102 into 102 will be 10,404. Then 99 into 99 will be 9,801. 97 into 97 will be 9,409. 98 into 98 will be 9,604. 96 into 96 will be 9,216. 95 into 95 will be 9,025. On taking the total, we get 98,064. Let us calculate y square. 98 into 98 will be 9,604. 99 into 99 will be 9,801, which will be repeated again. Then 97 into 97 will be 9,409. 95 into 95 will be 9,025. 92 into 92 will be 8,464. 95 is again repeated, so 9,025. 94 into 94 will be 8,836. 90 into 90 will be 8,100. 91 into 91 will be 8,281. Take the total of y square column, we get 90,346. Now we require the last information, that is xy. 100 into 98 will be 9,800. 101 into 99 will be 9,999. 102 into 99 will be 10,098. 102 into 97 will be 9,894. 100 into 95 will be 9,500. 99 into 92 will be 9,108. 97 into 95 will be 9,215. 98 into 94 will be 9,212. 96 into 90 will be 8,640. And 95 into 91 will be 8,645. Now take the total of this column, we get 94,111. Now we have summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square and summation xy. Let us calculate the coefficient of correlation between x and y, which will be represented with this formula, that is r is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x raised to 2 into n into summation y square minus summation y raised to 2. Now substitute the values. We get 10 into 94,111 minus 990 into 950 divided by square root of 10 into 98,064 minus 990 raised to 2 into 10 into 90,346 minus 950 raised to 2. On simplification, we get 9,41,110 minus 9,40,500 divided by square root of 9,80,640 minus 9,80,100 into 9,03,460 minus 9,02,500. Now we get 610 divided by square root of 540 into 960, which will be equal to 610 divided by 720, and coefficient of correlation is equal to 0.8472. As the result is positive, we can say that there is positive correlation between x and y. That is, when there is increase in variable x, we can find the increase in variable y. And when variable x decreases, variable y also decreases. So these are the three problems which we discussed today from RCUB question paper 2017, 2018 and 2019. In the next class, let us take some other problems and we will continue our discussion. Thank you.